Hey guys, Scrappy K Sue here. I got another card for you. This is an autumn card. This pumpkin right here, I've had the die for it for a while, and I've been wanting to use it. And there's several like that. I'm sure everybody out there has things like that they got and hadn't used, and even for years you've had it and you hadn't used. Well, that's me. So this is a a Tim Holtz Alterations die, Bigz die, and I've been wanting to use it for a long time. And this is what it looks like. Well, you can't really see it a little bit. So it's kind of got layers, if you can tell. This is foam, and this one, and this one are layered on top of the base one, and you can kind of see it there. And then you have this one to do as well. And this background is a 3D embossing folder from Sizzix that I got through Stampin' Up, and that came out really good. I've got several of theirs, and they're just really good embossing folders. And then this saying here came from a Whimsy stamp collection that's got several of these type autumn sayings in it. And that's it. I really had a hard time with this because apparently I had this one trying to go over here, and I knew it just didn't look right. It wasn't coming out right. You know, you got these little notches and stuff that on the bottom layer is the same thing, so you know it's got to be there somewhere, but it just didn't look right. So finally I looked at the picture, and I really couldn't really tell a whole lot, except for this and this one were a little bit lighter in color. So I figured maybe I'll try that, and then I looked, and this little notch right there gave it away. And because I was thinking maybe I turned it wrong or something, and so I was trying to say, well, that notch looks like that, but there's no way you turn it that way. I mean, that's not right. So I finally figured out it goes on that one. So I wanted to kind of color it a little bit, but I got to where I was getting a little bit frustrated with the pumpkin, and I said I'm just going to put it down. I think it looks okay like that. What y'all think? Let me know what you think. Talk to you guys later. Bye.